How to add a checkbox in Figma. In this video, I'll show you how to add checkbox in Figma. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, open Figma app. Now, open a file or create a new one. First step is to draw the box. Use the rectangle tool or simply press R to draw a small square. This will be base of your checkbox. Keep the size around 20 to 20 pixels. Now to show a check state, use the line tool or text tool to draw a check mark or paste in a check icon. Now select both the box and check mark, then group them. You can also turn it into a component so you can reuse it. If you want interactive states, use variants to create checked and unchecked version, great for prototyping. And that is how you add checkbox in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.